Because if your man used to fuck me, me not think me and him left yet. Because when me and a man normally a fuck, they not just left easily. For you know say my pussy big. Because any boy me fuck, them not just left so. It take a time. It take a blood clot time. Boy can't just walk off from the pussy where you say big. You use phone no cuss and cuss people. And for your blood clot statement, you say you are gonna make me lose my job. Like, how, where, and when? What you gonna tell them say, what you gonna do for make me lose my job? True me a fuck your man? A that? True me a fuck your man? A that you gonna make me lose my job for? Because remember, you know, me no know you. Me never see you in my life. Me just see up on people platform and say, oh, my pussy big. And you go call my workplace. And guess what? The place where you say me work, bitch, me no work there. Go suck your mother. And come off of my blood clot name. Go suck your thinking, mama. The place where you say me work and them me work, kiss me ass. You and them with it in the box when you talk. But you are gonna make, you live in Massachusetts and you are gonna make me lose my job because fuck you. What happened on the blood clot internet? Happened on the internet and what happened on your job? Happened on your job. You make me lose my job. Cause it look like me have to go fuck your man more than if so be the case. Because me no know how you come at talk about one thing and now you gone on my pussy. That means me have to go fuck your man more than. And when me and him a fuck now, me video it and ask him if me pussy big. So me can send back the recording to you. And then you go say, if you know me as well, you say you know me. Or you go say, whosoever you are say me a go answer. That mean you dumb blood clot know me, big old girl. I feel your pussy big and think.